In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view archived tasks in ClickUp. Managing your tasks efficiently is important, and ClickUp makes it easy to streamline your workflow by allowing you to archive tasks that you no longer need in active view, but still want to keep on hand for reference. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process of accessing those archived tasks. First, you need to open ClickUp in your web browser. Once you're on the ClickUp homepage, ensure that you're logged into your account. The first step is to navigate to the workspace or space where the tasks you're interested in reside. You'll find this option on the side panel of your screen. Click on Space. This directs you to the team or project area where you organize all your tasks. Now that you're in the correct workspace, your next move is to click on List. This is typically found on the left-hand navigation menu under your workspace. Clicking this will display a list of tasks that belong to your selected space. This is particularly useful because the list view provides a comprehensive snapshot of your tasks, making it easier to manage and filter through them, and it's where we'll access the archived tasks. Once you're viewing the list, look for the filter icon. This is an essential tool in ClickUp as it allows you to search and organize tasks based on different criteria. Click on Filter. Engaging the filter option will help you sort through various aspects of your task lists, and it's no different when you're searching for archived tasks. With the filter menu now open, here's where the magic happens. Look for the option that says Archived and click it. ClickUp gives you the ability to filter tasks based on their archived status, and selecting this option will specifically pull up all the tasks that have previously been archived. It's quite useful for referencing past work, checking completed projects, or retrieving any information from tasks that are no longer active. And there you have it. Your archived tasks should now be visible on your screen. This approach keeps your current workspace clutter-free while maintaining access to tasks you might need for future reference. Remember, the archived tasks are not deleted. They are simply tucked away until you decide they are needed again. Thank you for following along with this tutorial on viewing archived tasks in ClickUp. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks for mastering ClickUp and other productivity tools. Happy organizing!